What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernard from the BTNHD, and if this is your first time checking me out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and get the latest and greatest on Lenovo products. This week we are checking out another Flex 6. I think we did an unboxing first impressions on Lenovo's Flex 6 11-inch. This week we are looking at the 14-inch, which actually has a GTX NVIDIA card. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, so what comes inside the box? We have our safety and warranty guide. We also have like our little guide to tell us what items come inside the box. So we're going to put that to the side. The Flex 6 14-inch actually comes with a active pen. Huge plus because these guys are extremely expensive. And it also comes with a active pen holder. The only thing I don't like about these guys is that you have to insert it into a USB and you lose a USB, right? Then we have the power adapter to juice it up, just a regular power port, no USB or Type-C or nothing like that. I'm going to put that to the side. And then we have the beautiful 14-inch Flex 6 laptop. It's a Flex because it does the tent mode, laptop mode, as well as the tablet mode. So looking around, has a lot of ports, super awesome. So let's turn it around, and if you have the laptop to the point that you're able to open it up, open the lid up, let's take a look on the right hand side. So we have the 1-key recovery, we have our power button, we have a 4-in-1 card reader, SD card reader, we have a 3.0 USB port, which is always on charging. And on the left hand side, we have this slot right here allows us to hook up our power adapter. Right next to it is the LED indicator for power, our HDMI, an additional 3.0 USB port, a Type-C port, and our hybrid audio jack, which allows us to hook up headphones / mic. On the back side of the Flex 6 14, looks like this is where all the ventilation is going to be pushing out, grabbing and pushing out that hot air. So that's awesome. We also have vents at the bottom, and speakers are located at the lower left and right hand side of the laptop. All right, so let's open this guy up and turn it on. Okay, so let's open this guy up, open this lid up. What? Automatically, I am in love with this 14-inch display. I think the display is full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The keyboard itself, looks really nice. Loving the keyboard. The trackpad is a nice little size. It does have a fingerprint scanner. Again, on the right hand side, the power button is located there, so we're going to press that on. And it's going to boot up. I think it's running a solid state drive. We definitely need to check the capacity of that. Awesome. Quick. It's always a plus. It looks like it's really dim, so let's see if we could raise the resolution. This is the highest that we could raise the resolution. This is the lowest that we could do on the display. It's not completely blacked out. I'm still able to see the background, which is okay. Let's raise it up all the way. There you go. Let's right-click on the taskbar. Go to Task Manager. Let's do more details and performance. Let's see what type of specs we have here. We're going to right-click on the CPU. Change the graph to logical processor. Cool, so we are rocking with a quad-core i5 8th generation processor. Now it's an 8250U processor with a clock speed of 1.60 gigahertz. And it's not huge base speed. You're able to go inside the BIOS and enable turbo, but you're only going to get a 1.80 gigahertz. It's all right. It is multi-touch, so let's touch that screen. For memory, we only have 8 gigs, which is okay. For hard drive space, it is running a Samsung solid state drive. It looks like it's about 256 gigs. Pretty cool. Now, this is what I mentioned at the beginning of the video, guys. Now, the Flex 6 14-inch comes with a NVIDIA GeForce MX 130 graphics card. As you guys can see, look at that. GeForce MX 130. It also has the Ultra HD graphics 620, which is okay. That comes standard with the 8th generation processors, but the fact that you have a GeForce MX 130. Now, one of the big perks about the Flex 6 14-inch, it comes with the active pen. Let's close that up. Awesome. So I'm definitely going to test out the active pen to see how well that works out, the accuracy, if it stutters. You know, most likely I'm going to use Photoshop and Illustrator because these type of laptops will work well. Again, this guy is considered a flex because it's capable of turning into a tablet. So when you're dealing, let's say, with Photoshop or Illustrator, you're able to get in there and work with accuracy. So I know Lenovo does advertise that the active pen should last between 156 hours. When I take it home, I'm definitely going to change the battery and use it for a full week to see how long it works out. I love that Lenovo provided us with an active pen. That's $80 that I don't have to spend. But another thing that I like about this particular machine is the keyboard. The keyboard looks really smooth, really clean. I love that it comes with an NVIDIA GeForce MX 130, 2 gig graphics card. So that means I could do a little bit of gaming, which is not that bad. And I could do a little bit of Adobe Premiere rendering. Maybe 1080 would be the cap. At the very top of the display, it looks like we have a webcam. I'm assuming it's around 720p, which is a huge plus. Now, taking a closer look, I'm actually feeling it, and I'm noticing different feels, different kind of materials. Like the back part of the lid, I think it's made out of plastic and maybe carbon fiber. Inside of it, where you're going to be resting your palms, doesn't look plastic. It looks like it's made out of aluminum. And then the bottom part kind of feels plastic as well. So it looks like between 2 or 3 type of case materials are built within the Flex 614. Kind of strange, but I do love the way that the palm rest and the keyboard itself feels, because it just feels real smooth and not rough on the palms. All right, guys, I'm super excited about the Flex 6 14-inch. Couple of things that I'm excited. One, I forgot to tell you guys that it is backlit. The keyboard is backlit, which is a huge plus. I love having backlit keyboards because it allows me to work in the dark, right? It's kind of creepy. The 2 speakers that are located underneath is powered by Harman technology. So I'm expecting like crisp, clear sound. Definitely need to test that out for you guys. On the Flex 6 11-inch, the battery life was amazing. I was able to get maybe 6 to 7, 8 hours depending on what you do. I'm expecting the same thing for the Flex 6 14-inch. You never know. Super excited that it comes with an NVIDIA GeForce MX 130 2 gig graphics card, which will allow me to work with Adobe Premiere, a little bit of rendering. I could probably do a little bit of gaming. I don't know which games I'm going to play, but most likely I'm able to do that. All the multiple ports that it has, I'm happy about that. I'm also happy that Lenovo provides the Flex 6 14-inch with it at the pen. That means I don't have to waste an additional $70, $80 to get that. That's awesome. So the first thing that I'm definitely going to be doing with the Flex 6 14-inch is start testing out the batteries to see how well that works, and also heating and any noise. I haven't heard any noise as of yet. But hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing / first impressions of Lenovo's Flex 6 14-inch with the NVIDIA GeForce MX 130. That's awesome. If you have any comments or concerns or questions or anything, leave it at the bottom. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.